Hi, and welcome to Wealth Creation Coach. We are here to help you grow rich. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. It doesn't matter what you are posting in your creative endeavors, and it doesn't really matter what you are talking about. The most important thing about your content is that it engages your audience. If you create content and no one cares about it, it's pretty much worthless and a waste of your time, energy, and money. But how do you make the content that is going to work best and really find people to connect with? How do you make something engaging? How do you engage the people watching your content? How do you make something that can connect with others outside of your usual audience and find new viewers and fans? In this tutorial, we will talk about the tips you should keep in mind when you are choosing the content you will create. Keep these ideas in mind as you attempt to forge forward on your path of being a content creator. Firstly, you need to always understand your audience. Do not create content that will not work well with the people who have been loyal to you. How did you first get your start as a content creator? What initially drew people to you? Don't rock the boat too quickly or change the type of content you create. You want to always engage with the audience that first found you. Make your content timely. Do not create content that is about a fad or trend that is about to be out of date. In fact, try to only make content that revolves around ideas and products and items that are evergreen and always going to be popular. You should also make sure that you always focus on your audience and not yourself. Of course, your own personality will shine through in your videos, and that's a good thing. But you should always remember you are making your content for them and not for yourself. You are pitching to these people, and that means you should speak directly to them and also talk about their needs and lives. An important tip is to update often. Do not just create content once a month. You are going to find more success with a strict, up-to-date, constantly updated schedule of content. You should often be releasing something new, and always thinking of the next thing you will release. And don't forget to use all of social media when you create your content. Do not just publish and talk about your new video or blog on Instagram. Make posts about it on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and any other social media site that you use. Spread the word. Also, you should talk about your content often. Of course, you want to post about it the day that it comes out, but don't stop there. Continue to advertise your new content and tell your audience about it daily. Now, don't overdo it. Don't spam your followers. But find new, inventive, different ways to get the word about your content again and again. Another tip to keep in mind when choosing your content is to introduce it the right way. Find a great way to open your content. Ask a question that needs answering, relay a personal story to your audience, or tell an anecdote that everyone can relate to. You want to hook people right away, draw them in, and keep them engaged. This all starts right at the beginning. When you come up with the idea for new content, you need to also come up with a way to introduce it. Finally, a tip you need to always remember when creating content is that you should always leave your viewers wanting more. Pack your content full of great ideas, and then when it comes to an end, you should invite them back. Promise that they will get content like they just enjoyed from you more often. Give them a reason to return. This is a great way to not only build your audience, but keep the viewers you have loyal at all times. I hope you have enjoyed today's financial tips. Do click like and subscribe to this channel for even more financial tips. Check out www.wealthcreationcoach.com for more resources.